Want to start coding but only have your phone? In this video, I'll show you the best free apps to learn coding on your smartphone in 2025. You don't need a laptop to get started. These apps let you code, practice, and even build real projects right from your pocket. First is SPCK Editor. It's lightweight, fast, and perfect for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Plus, it feels like you are using a real code editor. Second is Acode, super customizable and lets you create files, preview websites, and even connect to GitHub. Then there is Dcoder. It supports over 50 programming languages, so it's great if you want to try Python, Java, or C++ on mobile. All these apps are free, but SPCK is my favorite for web development. Which app are you going to try first? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more coding tips on coding with just your phone. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on coding just with your phone.